Good morning, everyone. How you doing today? I'm Ami Bella. I'm the CEO and owner of Nova Organics Hair Care Company. And today I want to talk to you guys about 4 ways you can use our Lock It In kit to achieve your hair goals. So when I say lock it in, I am specifically speaking on sealing and locking in your moisture. Some people look at it and they think locks as in locks or dreadlocks, which that's not what we're talking about. We're actually talking about the L.O.C method, which is liquid oil and cream, and that is a process that we would use to seal in moisture that lasts for days. Okay, so for our company, we have our Jasmine and Sweet Rose Jasmine and Sweet Rose conditioning spray, which has jasmine and sweet rose oil in it. It also has provitamin B5 and also hydrolyzed keratin protein, which is good for strengthening, and it gives like a smoothing effect when you use it. So this is our liquid. This is our, again, Sweet Rose and Jasmine and Sweet Rose conditioning spray. Excuse me, y'all. And you can see this is a water-based product. Okay, this is our growth and strength oil. Okay, and this has some of the amazing oils in it. We have avocado, we have rosemary, which is proven to grow your hair. We have rosemary, biotin, we have tea tree oil in here, vitamin E in here. We have all the stuff that's going to get you on your way. Actually, I don't know if you guys know this, but vitamin E also grows your hair as well. So that's something that people would do for their hairline. They'll use vitamin E capsules, and eventually it might be a slower process, but it does work. Okay, so these oils are included in our growth and strength oil, and I love this. Okay, I stand by this product. Okay, now when you're dealing with natural ingredients like rosemary, vitamin E, these ingredients penetrate the scalp, and it does take a little time, but guess what? You're not changing the cellular level. You're not doing anything abrasive to your cells or your scalp or anything to really force your hair to grow. It is a natural process to growing your hair follicles. Okay, moving right along to my Mango and Monoi hair moisturizer. I love this. It smells wonderful. It smells heavenly. It is such a thick product. Like you literally have to, I can't even show you how, well, I can't, I'm not going to open this because this is not mine. But, yeah, so we have our Mango and Monoi hair moisturizer. As you can tell, it comes with mango butter, Monoi butter. It also has shea butter, babasu oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, and it goes on and on and on. These products make up my Lock It In kit. So 4 ways you can use these products to achieve your hair goals. Let's start with what I'm dealing with. I have my hair in a protective style. How do I use these products to keep my hair moisturized? Which you don't have to do it a lot. When your hair is protected, you really don't have to do it a lot. Say, for instance, crochet braids or box braids, or I don't want to say sew-in or anything like that because I'm going to go over that later. But just more so like these kind of braids where your hair is really down and you just need to spruce it up while it's down, right? So what I will do is spray my hair in here at the root, not so much the extension, with water, right? I will spray it with water. What did I say? With water first. Water. Number 1, water. Step number 1, water. I'm gonna say it every time. Water, guys. Then you can mist it with this. So this is going to keep it strong. This is going to kind of seal that water, first level of sealing. And it's going to come in with some powerful strengthening additives. You don't have to use this every day because of that very fact. Then I come back with my growth and strength oil. I will use this over the leave-in, and then I will actually, I'm a different kind of breed. I will actually put a bag on my head and just leave it on for an hour or 30 minutes to an hour and allow my hair to just penetrate in. I'm a different breed. You don't have to do that. That's extra. That's just me. And that's how my hair grows out. I'm just saying. But that's one way you can do it using these products. I wouldn't recommend using this on top of that because I don't want to do anything while my hair is protected to add into not so much the product buildup, but you know, you have things getting splint and different things will get caught up. You don't need all that, and this product is it's not made for that. It's not lightweight like that. It's actually very thick and it's not made for that. So I wouldn't recommend trying to smooth that in like it was grease or something along those lines. No. Okay, we're gonna move right along to braid downs. So if you're someone who wears lace fronts and you now can see with lace fronts, everyone does it differently. Some people can wear their lace front for a month, 2 weeks, 1 week. I'm the type of person, I need to take my lace front off. I gotta take it off. I can't wear it multiple days. I can, but it'll take a lot out of me, like for real. But if that is you, you can use this liquid, oil, cream, braid your hair down. And let me tell you something, when you come back to those braids, like hopefully you're gonna be still spraying your hair once a week because you don't need to come back and hydrate every day because this is going to seal it in. So while your hair is braided down, you can rest assured knowing that my hair is still moisturized at least for those 7 days because there's no direct sunlight. There's nothing to really force your hair to the moisture out of your hair to evaporate, you know. So it's kind of compact, and because it's compacted in there, the moisture is able to stay in there. Now while you're braided down for that time, I would still come back and oil my scalp. I would still mist my hair with water, just because that's me and that's how I'm an OD moisturized queen. Like I have to have my hair moisturized because as soon as it gets dry, boo-boo, snap, it's gone. It's gone. So that's what I would recommend. If you have, you like to wear lace fronts, use this, grow your hair while your hair is braided down, hydrate and strengthen your hair before you even go to braid it down. This actually makes it easier to detangle and manipulate the hair to get it braided down. Seal that moisture in with a thicker cream so that your hair will stay moisturized while you have your lace front on. All right. So third thing you can do, or how you can use our Lock It In kit to achieve your hair goals. Say you have locks, beautiful sister locks, dreadlocks. We out here locking it, right? And I love it. I don't know. I mean, these are faux locks. Y'all know what's up. But I'm feeling it. Do I look cute? Anyway, I recommend for my lock sisters and brothers, and this is what my husband does. I don't know if y'all noticed his hair, but yes, long dreads all day. Anyway, so this is one of his favorite products. As you can see, this is very lightweight. I wish if any of my lock sisters are watching, hit the comments, let the people know. This leave-in will not only strengthen, and my husband, I wish he would come on. I might have to bring him on and let him talk to the people about how he feels about this. Because see, he's had dreads for a long time, and he feels this, it's like it doesn't cause any lint. He said it doesn't cause any product buildup for him. His hair is lightweight. He feels the moisture. I mean, he loves it. I love it. But he loves it. And then I have a lot of my customers that have locks and sister locks, and they love this. So this is one thing you can use if you have locks, and then accompany this with this. He uses this to grow his hair and this to hydrate, right? So if you really are trying to be out here in these streets and you need like a duo that really works, our Jasmine Sweet Rose Leave-In Conditioning Spray, you can see it's lightweight, and our Growth and Strength Oil can be used for people with locks, okay? So there's that. That is our third way that we can utilize the Lock It In kit to hydrate and moisturize. Now for dreads, I have tested this moisturizer. But I'm not 100% confident to say that I want you guys to use it because of the simple fact that it is so thick. So that's my thing with dreads. I wouldn't recommend this because it is such a thick product. Now this is very lightweight and it doesn't cause product buildup on any of the dreads. So I always recommend my Jasmine and Sweet Rose Leave-In Conditioning Spray. Okay guys, and the last way we use our Lock It In kit is the standard way for people that wear their hair in twist outs and braid outs, wash and go, anything free flowing. Boom. You know what's up, sis. You know what the Lock It In is. You know what the Lock It In is, sis. If you out here with the free flowing hair, naturalhairbomb.com, you know what Lock It In is. You know what L.O.C is, and you if not L.O.C, you know L.C.O. Okay, so we have our Jasmine Sweet Rose Conditioning Spray. This is amazing. It smells amazing. It is very hydrating. It's going to go deep into the hair strand. This is built to strengthen and formulated. I like that word. Formulated to penetrate deeply and strengthen those hair strands. Let it do its job. Okay, let it get in there and do its job, guys. Okay, so and then we have our growth and strength oil. You know what to do. Go to the scalp. We're going down the hair strand, right? And that way we're going to build up those layers to still in that hair. Moisturizer, child, moisture, okay? And then we're gonna move right along to our thick and smells so good. Oh my goodness. Mango and Monoi hair moisturizer. Okay, so that was our 3 steps: liquid, oil, cream, lock. And that's how we're gonna handle it moving forward. I just wanted to pop on. I don't want to stay on too long. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope I didn't ramble too much because I do have that power. Okay. Anywho, guys, I love you for watching. Thank you so much. Tune in next time, and I will see you. Oh, also this earring. Child, I've been finding myself wearing one earring. Don't judge me, y'all. Why? Because my 1-year-old is out here and he is doing the most. But I did want to show off this earring because I did get this from Soho and More, and I love her earrings. I actually love her earrings, and you guys know I'm a big on my earrings, but I didn't want to just pop on and not shout out anyone because I'm just that kind of person. If I rock with you, I'm going to shout you out, period. And I don't want to ramble on too long, guys. So I thank you so much for watching. Check out Soho and More. And I love you guys. Peace. Stay good to yourself. Pray. Stay encouraged. Never give up. Y'all keep fighting and be encouraged. I love you. Bye.